Is he there? Is he there? Yeah. Oh, look at him. Little birdie. Hello. Hello.
Oh, the seeds in there.
Hello.
Wonder if
Oh, he wanted the cake. He wanted the cake.
Because you moved the cat. I think the birds after.
Yeah, he wants the piece of cake. It's the cake. It's a bit of cake here.
Yeah.
There you go. Look. There you go. Have the cake. Go on. Go on. Look at him. He's having the cake.
What is it anyway?
It's a sparrow, I think.
No, not the bird. The thing on the table.
Piece of cake.
Who?
Just a bit of cake.
Oh, they'll eat anything, yeah.
Mm. Look. Did he leave the birdie? Oh. Yeah. And this one, if I look. Here.
Has it been for one?
Yeah, he's had one. There, look. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, so it's just crumbs from a cake.
Yeah, yeah. Look, he's going to come back now. The dog's watching as well, look.
Dee Dee, come and say hello to Uncle Si. Dee Dee, don't be antisocial. That's it, no more toys for you. That's it, now me and you are finished. And I want Cyril the squirrel back. In 2 pieces in it.
Yeah.
De-headed and de-arsed.
She still plays with it, its body.
It still squeak?
No, the squeak has come out of it.
Squeak, yeah. Especially with a big dog.
Yeah. Little birdie.
They've
Dee
got
watching the
loads
bird.
of dog toys in Sainsbury's. So I bought him a giraffe and a lion for his birthday already.